Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to The Thrashmen. And we are going to listen to the song Surfing Bird. Surfing Bird. This is my first time single take honest reaction to it.
Yeah, not mine. I've never reacted to it, but first time reacting to it. I've definitely heard this one. Let's see what Kirti thinks since she's never heard it before.
Yeah.
The Thrashmen, Surfing Bird.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a winner. Well, a bird. Everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, winner, bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, winner, bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, winner, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, winner, bird, 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 bird, bird. The bird's a winner, winner, don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody's talking about the bird, a winner, bird, bird. The bird's a winner, winner, bird.
What I was saying during the reaction, in case anyone didn't hear it, is this was done well. It was sung well. Sung well. Everybody knows that
Bird is a word.
bird is a word.
We know that.
What is this
Now we
word?
do.
What are they talking about? A helicopter? A surfing bird was the only genuine clue given in the lyrics. A surfing bird, so it could be some kind of bird, or it could be about some activity such as surfing, maybe some particular way of surfing.
Birdie in the golf, right? Is that?
It could be something related to a sport like golf. Yeah, who knows? Could be about a helicopter. Could be about some
Well,
slang.
I know bird
some
is a
slang.
word.
It might be a slang for something. Might be a word which means something other than a bird.
Right.
And it's a safer, more polite way of saying it. What did you think of the music, the way it was sung, everything? Since it's your first time,
was
I think,
funny.
listening.
It was funny. You actually, initially I'm thinking, I know bird is a word. What more? And then towards the end with all that papa. It also actually is very much part of Indian classical as well. We have more varieties of classical music in India, not just one. And you remember Kishore Kumar and Sunil Dutt? There's a movie, a classic movie, Padosan. In that, they go crazy. They have no words to sing because they forget the lines, and then they go just repeating the same
they
thing
do
again
the
and again
impromptu
because
bit.
impromptu bit. So they know no lines. They just have a couple of words and they just keep on singing on that. So in Drupad classical in India as well, people can just say nothing and yet it sounds very musical.
Yeah, so this is exactly
It
something
sounded like
that
that to me.
Might be something similar happening here. I thought you would have heard this song. I didn't say it in the beginning, but it's in the movie Full Metal Jacket.
I haven't seen
Which
that.
is about right from the beginning of a soldier's induction into the army, the training, everything, then going to the war, Vietnam War in this movie. and the life
I've heard
of a
of it,
soldier.
but I've seen
Yeah, so I watched it a few
Behind
years
Enemy's
ago
Line
actually, or
and all
maybe
that.
a couple of years ago. So I thought you would have watched it or you would have heard
no,
the
I've
song
heard the
from there.
name of the movie, but I
It
couldn't
may
watch
be in other movies, other shows, you know. Yeah,
it. It sounded more like something it would go well in Just for Our Gags, the Quebec things.
okay.
They can put it when they have those gigs with the birds. That you know, the bird comes from behind. At that time, you can put that.
But
It will sound good.
the singing is wonderful.
It is.
It's not easy to
it's
do
not
what he did.
easy as it sounds. Yeah. Because it has to still sound musical.
And all that was done. Wow.
That's why I compared it with classical.
You know, and in those days it was done in one go.
Yeah.
So, you know, I mean, not easy. Very well done. Even though it doesn't have much substance lyrically, I think the bird is the word, and that is what the main focus is. And someone possibly in the comments can help us to understand a bit more about the song, the history, the band, the Thrashmen.
The thrash.
Does it have some meaning to you in a certain part of the world or not? I think it might be something related to surfing, maybe like you said, some kind of sports activity like golf or surfing. Maybe it's to do with a helicopter in the sky, and then you know it's going to come and you have to be ready, or it's going to drop bombs. Who knows?
It also sounded more
Who
like
knows?
something playing on the radio. As if he's singing on the radio.
In the movie, it comes towards the end. Towards the end, you know, when they are. Comes towards the end, so I don't know if I don't remember the scene exactly, but I think a lot of tankers, a lot of soldiers going in one direction. So that time the song is playing. So I think it has something to do with war. You know, if the last and final guess is that. Anyway, fun
Air
to
Force
listen.
support then.
Fun to listen to. It definitely might be having some deeper meaning to lots of people, but for us who are unaware of that meaning, it's just a fun song and beautifully sung.
It is.
And nice music too. Very little music, but good music.
I was more hung on the way it was done. Thank you for watching.